What is Python? Python is a high-level interrupted programming language for simplicity, readability, and versatility. It's great for beginners and widely used in industries like web development, data science, automations. AI was created by Gordon Van Rosen in the year of 1991 and further developed by the Python Software Foundation. Python is widely used in high-level interrupted programming language. Its syntax allows programmer to express the concepts in fewer lines of code. Features of Python: easy to learn and use, free and open source, high-level language, portable and extensible, multi-paradigms. LE, Python, Jupyter, Google Collaboratory, Kaggle are the some software which are used to execute the Python programs. Python we have some libraries called as NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, sklearn, CV Python.